Today is the day we're moving house. So it's Thursday. We're picking the keys up and we're gonna start moving all these boxes. You know how terrible I look. I'm not putting on a full face of makeup in order to move an entire house. So yeah, we're gonna just load up the car with as many boxes as possible. Sterling's gonna blueprint the new house so that we can kind of figure out how much furniture we can fit in it. And we're basically just gonna taxi stuff between here and where we're going all long weekend. It's Thursday. This weekend is Easter long weekend, so we've got 5 days. So let's do this. Just stuffed my backpack full of coat hangers. Sometimes you gotta be innovative when moving. Round one! I'm now wearing a hat and glasses to hide as much of my ratchet face as possible. First trip, we're not going to be taking that many boxes because we have to take people. We're on our way. The first of many trips. Lord help us. Do you have anything to add? Amen.
No, I think you pretty much got it all.
Oh, it's going to be a long ass weekend. Where's the wombat? Down there. There's a wombat down there.
Oh. He's a bit hidden.
He's hidden. We can get the other wombat. Alright.
But it looks kind of different to what you know what I mean? I'm looking at it going...
Oh, okay.
No, I like it.
Don't just act natural. You don't have to ham it up for the camera. So this is our front veranda.
Which I've always wanted.
The cottage is called Wombat. We have a door. This is our door. This keeps intruders out and people that live here in. Just trying to...
Is that supposed to be
Yeah. Just trying to figure out how to open the door, and we're in to our new abode.
We need this door, is important to remember.
To actually lock it?
Yes, because it doesn't have a pushing button thing. Yes, it does.
This is our new house, people. I'm going to give you a little house tour right now. So this is when you walk in. You see this lovely stairs that go up to where Mum will be living. To our right, we have...
This is where we keep your dead leaves.
This is our dining room, which we will put furniture in which we can eat at which we can eat. This is under the stairs. This is where Sterling will be living. Under the stairs. As you can see, there's a thing that I don't know what it is, a coat hanger, and a hole in the ground. Not sure what that is either. Over here we have the kitchen. The kitchen is where food will be prepared. And this is the fridge, and that is where the wine that we don't drink will be stored. We have a lovely dishwasher, an oven and a stove, and a fantastic view of the bush. Anyway, continuing our tour, this is a pantry. This is where the food will be kept. This is a laundry. This is where the clothes will be cleaned.
Is that actually pink, that paint?
This is a sitting room.
It's kind of...
So this will be where people sit.
Up by adapters because they're all screw bolts.
This is the air conditioner. This will be what cools us in summertime. Over here we go in and we've got a lovely linen closet where the linen is kept. Here we have the bathroom where people will wash themselves, a toilet where people will poop, a bath where people will bath, a sink where people will sink, a mirror where people will look at their fine self, and a shower where people will shower. Following through here, we have the room that I don't know if it's Sterling's. Oh no, this is the study, I think. This shall be the study room. Going back out here, the bathroom's not where I remembered it being, but anyway, going through here, we have the other room. This is where we keep the bugs. I think this is Sterling's room. perhaps because this is my room. Because I'm the oldest child, which means I get the biggest bedroom. Yay! The pièce de résistance is the fact that I have a big wardrobe with lots of space. So much space that I could get inside it. And the back of the door's broken, but that's okay. So that's us, really. That is our lovely, lovely house. Oh, I didn't show you upstairs. What a goober.
Oh yes, there is.
Can we go upstairs? This is where you put a decorative item. Oh, nearly fell down the stairs. Try not to kill oneself. Smells a little bit like cleaning.
Smells like freedom.
So this is reading nook 1, little nook 2, ensuite with a new fixed up shower, sunroof hole, another sink for sinking, some floor tiles, a fan.
What do you think?
What's up?
Well, I think the shades will fit on a diagonal.
I reckon it will too. I'm gonna go and this. Mum's got a really cool walk-in with so much room for activities. And I don't know what this is. Okay, we're going downstairs again, and I'm going to attempt to not fall down the stairs because I don't want to kill myself. So out the back, we've got these lovely French doors. I don't know, it might be locked. No, it's just a bit sticky. Oh. Can you hear that sound? That is the sound of peace and quiet. And that is our view. Okay, that's the end of the tour now. I'm going to go do some more productive things. That's room number 1. We spent a little bit longer here than I thought we would because we were just sort of settling in and having a look, and now we're going to go and get some more stuff.
Oh, I nearly ran over the neighbour's dog.
Hey puppy! Hello puppy!
See him at all. He just ran out from in front of my car.
That's not a good first impression to make.
The magpies have greeted us and they've been singing their beautiful song.
Yep. It's going to be such a long weekend.
Ah, yes.
But so worth it.
We didn't even know we knew anyone here, but it turns out we actually have a friend already living in the street.
Which is pretty cool.
Which is very cool.
And we got Amy living just up the road, which is cool.
And Amy is super cool.
Robert living not too far. He's a little less cool. I'm currently sitting underneath a vacuum cleaner. The back is chock-a-block. The boot is Tetrised in like nobody's business. Honestly, we have done the most miraculous job of fitting in this car. I thought maybe we'd fit like 5 boxes in, and we must have fit in like nearly a dozen boxes in the car. It's ridiculous, but we're amazing, so it's highly surprising. Well, it's one car load. I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging.
I don't know. Well, I didn't remember what I said.
Nothing important. So that's one truckload of stuff. Mum and Aaron are taking another truckload of stuff, and Sterling's helping everyone by eating Whizfist.
Hey.
So I just vacuumed. So there's no leaves, except there's one leaf because the vacuum puked it out. Come here, you. So I'm gonna throw it outside. Oh, it's locked. And while I'm going outside, let's look at the beautiful sunset. Appreciate.
Stop leaving the door of the air conditioning's on.
If you keep swearing, I'm gonna get demonetized. Let's go visit my room. My room's covered in garbage. So I brought my flat pack furniture, but didn't bring any of the parts to put it together. So that was smart. And I brought bric-a-brac, but have no furniture to put it on. So it's on the floor. I bought books, have no bookshelf. Bought legs of a chair, have no seat of a chair. So anything I kind of have going for me are some shoes and some coat hangers with no clothes. It's okay, we're getting there. We've discovered there's these 2 dogs that live across the road somewhere over there, and they just keep coming over to our house and barking at the door. So hopefully that's not a habit. One of them's named Alice and the other one, I don't know what it's called, but it's annoying. So as you can see, there's a lot of work to be done, but we got a lot more stuff in the car than we thought we would. So props to us. We're amazing. Honestly, we've lived on candy today because we just haven't had any food because we don't have any gas, so we can't use the stove. We don't have a fridge yet. We have an oven, but like we got no crockery, so we've been eating Sterling's candy that he got from the Easter show. Where's Fizz? Where's Fizz lollipops? Flavoured sticks. Where's Fizz lollipops? Where's Fizz fizzes? Nutritious burgers. Lips and tongues. I think a gecko. Gummy bears. Easter eggs. Cat food. We're getting pizza soon. Pizza.
Check out hot new Nintendo systems.
Million dreams.
New. In the year 2006 that it is right now.
Can we edit this as like an old-timey footage with like captions because it's a silent movie? Because that's how old you sound. What is the actual thing we're doing tomorrow?
Having showers. I'm going back to the old place to have showers. That's the key thing. Putting a TV in the car, and then eventually putting it.
We'll see how that works. You can do that.
I'm not. If I think my ride, the TV will eventually be coming back out of the car again.
We're gonna put it here, maybe,
Potentially.
or there, maybe. You decide. Vote now on your phones. Here's what I'm most excited about. No, it's not the beautiful French doors leading out to the massive deck on the beautiful property. It's this one plastic boy. Who would win? Beautiful nature versus one plastic cooling boy. Let's look at Sterling's room again. Oh, firstly, look, I put a flower. Excuse the open toilet. I put a. What?
What is Sarah's?
This is Sterling's bedroom. It's currently got shoes, an air mattress, a lamp.
It is officially the most furnished of all the rooms.
It is the most. It is. It's literally the most finished. But it also doesn't have a light, so here's a real winner. And the dogs decided to finally leave us alone, which is nice. Now we're just waiting for Erin and Mum to come and bring us pizza. And apparently Erin's under a lot of furniture in the car. Really looking forward to tomorrow where we can get more furniture, and then even more looking forward to Saturday when we can bring all the furniture. And then we'll live here for reals. Do you think, Sterling, that they would let me join Team 10?
Join what?
Team 10. Jake, Paul, and the team of 10. Do you think my vlogging is cool enough?
Well, no less cool than theirs.
True.
And they'll probably like my dabbing.
I just dabbed a lot. Hopefully if they see it, they'll be like,
As long as you just did it on the head.
she is so cool, let's put her in Team 10 and she can come live in our $7 million mansion. Hit me up, Team 10.
Did any shuffling yet?
Shuffling.
Yeah.
I can't shuffle, it just turns into Running Man.
What's the difference?
Well, there's the old Running Man, and then there's the new Running Man.
It's Gangnam Style, isn't it?
No, Gangnam Style is...
Can't keep up with this shit.
And then the new Running Man is this one. Also my bed's done. Which one's
just
the
gonna
desk Huh? No, you're gonna go one, out, across. Hip.
What's the
hip.
one?
So out here.
Yeah.
Hip, out, across. hip, out, across, hip, out, across, hip. Welcome to our crib. This is our dining room for the night.
It's been a long day.
Pretty much all you've had to eat today is half a focaccia. I had a whole focaccia. And these two have had like a burger each or something. Not a burger,
And
a
one
pie.
of those was a trolley burger.
But now we have pizza.
We have pizza and fake champagne. So this is like champagne.
Please don't break the camera when you pop the cork.
Oh, you devils.
Maybe not so much.
Surely.
Y'all.